Hello everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a product that promises both nutrition and taste. The Muscle Milk Zero Protein Shake. This isn't just any protein shake. It's touted as one of the best zero sugar options on the market. Let's find out if it lives up to the hype. Muscle Milk Zero is designed for those who need a convenient protein boost without the added sugars. It comes in a pack of 12-11 fluid ounces cartons, each containing 20 grams of protein per serving. This shake isn't just about protein. It also packs essential nutrients like calcium, vitamins A, C, and D, and 4 grams of fiber. With zero sugar and only 100 calories per serving, Muscle Milk Zero is perfect for those watching their sugar intake while aiming to build muscle and satisfy hunger. The combination of slow and fast-releasing proteins helps maintain amino acid levels crucial for muscle growth and recovery. Taste-wise, Muscle Milk Zero is smooth and delicious, making it enjoyable on its own or as an addition to your favorite recipes like coffee, oatmeal, or smoothies. It's a versatile snack that fits into any part of your day, whether as a post-workout recovery drink or a quick breakfast option. In conclusion, Muscle Milk Zero Protein Shake stands out as a top contender in the zero sugar protein shake category. It delivers on taste, nutrition, and versatility, making it a go-to choice for health-conscious individuals. If you're looking for a protein shake that doesn't sacrifice flavor or nutritional value, Muscle Milk Zero could be your perfect match. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews on products that matter to you. Until next time, this has been Product Critique, signing off.